Hey y'all, welcome back to Math Rescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning. This video, we're going to simplify radical expressions that include fractions. I'll show you how to break the radical apart, simplify the numerator and denominator cleanly, and rewrite everything so it actually looks finished. Let's talk about it. Alright, so let's take a look at our two expressions here. We have a cube root. A cube root has an index of 3, and we also have a fourth root. Fourth root. So let's start with our cube root. What's really nice about radicals and fractions is that we can separate this in a variety of ways. So I can rewrite this with the radical isolated to the numerator and denominator, which makes this tremendously easier to think about. This skill of kind of isolating operations extends into calculus, and it's extremely helpful there as well. When you're doing things like integrals and finding the derivative of things. So, let's go ahead and let's start considering what our cube roots might be here. So I know that the cube root of 8 is going to be 2. That's just one that I've done so many times I've memorized. I know that the cube root of x to the 6th, we're going to do the exponent divided by the index. That's going to give me x squared. And we also want to do the cube root of 54. I believe I have a 27 in there. And the reason why I kind of pointed out the 27 was because I know 27 is a perfect cube. 3 times 3 times 3. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out as a... So the only thing left inside of my cube root is this 2 here. All right, awesome. Let's go ahead and do the fourth root. So same idea here. I'm just going to start off by separating my numerator and denominator. Okay. I've done 16 enough times where I know that the fourth root of 16 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gonna make 16. So I'll go ahead on my next line here. I'll go ahead and now simplify that. I'll pull that 2 out. I also know that n to the 4th, if you take the fourth root of that, is just going to pull n out. My denominator is finished. Now I just need to focus on the numerator. For my numerator, I'm going to separate the digits from the variables. That'll just help my brain to kind of focus on each thing step by step instead of trying to do it all at once. For 162, nothing obvious comes to mind. I see that I could break it up into 81 times 2. I'll just do that for right now. So hopefully something obvious presents itself to my brain. Here with m to the 14th to the fourth root, I'm going to go ahead and separate that in m to the 12th times m squared. And the reason why I broke it up, why I broke up the 14 like this, is because I know m to the 12th is, I know 12 is divisible by the index of 4. So on my next line, I could go ahead and take care of that. As far as 81 goes, that is the 81 is the fourth root of 3. So I can go ahead and say 3. I'm also going to go ahead and do this m to the 12th. So I get third, and then inside my fourth root, so I have this that I wasn't able to pull out, and we still have this that I wasn't able to. Go ahead and write those. All of this was all right. So those are in simplest form. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Support the channel. I post videos regularly, and my goal is to make you feel super confident. See you in the next one.